Hello everybody, this is Brian back with a Casper update. I've had a few requests to take a look at this coin. This is Casper on the 4 hour right here. You can see this thing is wedging up, okay? We have upward, let me get my pointer out here and show you. We have upward support coming up here, and we have down sloping resistance up here. Alright, so this thing's coiling up for a pretty decent move here, whether it's up or down. We're going to look at some technicals here in a second and see if we can get an idea what's going to happen here. Okay, the red line is your 50-day EMA, your exponential moving average, and you have your 200 down here, the green. You can see we have fell through that 50, and we're battling right now to get back up above that thing. Okay, we got rejected off of it right there. We'll take a look at a little bit deeper here in just a second. I wanted to go over an article here real quick with you guys. Casper price prediction is bullish momentum gaining strength. It goes down through here to say the Casper price prediction has been following an upward curve with a bullish trend dominating the market, currently priced at 0.05784. The Casper Bitcoin pair stands at, it's like 5 zeros, 1907 Bitcoin. This positive momentum may provide new opportunities for investors to profit from the coin. However, bears may attempt to disrupt this bullish trend, and how they respond remains to be seen. It goes down through here to go through the technicals here. It says volume has increased by 14.2%. The steady increase in volume suggests that short-term selling pressure is decreasing and buyers are increasing their buying pressure. This trend indicates the bullish trend is gaining momentum. The market cap to volume ratio is 0.0268. The coin may get a trend reversal. Then it goes over the technical analysis. This guy has here the current RSI of 75.44 is higher than the average RSI of 65.87. The bulls may have been pushing the RSI towards the overbought region, and it would be difficult for the sellers to push back the RSI. Now this is a couple days old, so I'm going to show you these RSIs in a second. The relative strength index, okay? When they're at the top, they are overbought. When they're at the bottom, they are oversold. You want them at the bottom for to get upward price movement. So we're going to go over these RSIs in a second. Here's your crypto bubbles. This is for the hourly right now as I'm making this video. Here's for the day. Bitcoin hasn't made a move yet. It is definitely, it's coiling up for something also. It might have a little bit more down pressure to it, but not much. I expect something to happen real soon with this market. And we're gonna have a pretty decent retrace, that's for sure. And whether we break out and then head for higher targets, we'll have to see here how this plays out. But your crypto fear and greed index for the day, this is uploading. I have it uploading so it's current as I do the video. Right now the market cap is down 0.59%. Volume is down 5.66%. That's going to go way up here real soon as people think this bottom's in. Bitcoin dominance is rising. It's up 0.39%. It's been staying right around at 44% for last week. The crypto fear and greed indicators at a 56 now. We were at a 53 yesterday. We were at a 69 last week. So I don't know how they get greed out of this, but they do. Here's your top 100 from CoinMarketCap. If we go down through these, you can see on the left, not any real big gainers, that's for sure. Mostly red today, and we have a falling DXY. I'm going to go over that in a second because that means a lot for the crypto market. Okay, we'll get right back to Casper, but I want to show you guys something on this DXY because this has a massive effect on crypto. Okay, every bull run that crypto has had, every alt season that we've had has started with a falling dollar. Okay, you can see this thing has been riding the blue line there, the support line right here, since way back in May of 21. Okay, we rode that line, we followed that 50 exponential moving average, bouncing off it the whole way up here. Then we lost the 50, came down, lost this blue support line, back tested it now as resistance, and it's falling down. This is a perfect 5-wave down Elliott wave. If I invert this chart and turn this upside down, check this out. looks like a perfect breakout. You have your resistance, your breakout of resistance, your back test, and continuation upward. All right, I expect the dollar to break that 100.7 and come down in the 90s here somewhere. Not sure where, but a falling dollar definitely means a rising Bitcoin, but it also means rising everything else too. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but if we look at Bitcoin here, I mean, it's going to be good for price, absolutely. All right, Bitcoin, these RSIs on this thing, let me get my cleaner chart, I apologize. Let me get these off there. Let's move them off there. Okay, you can see Bitcoin came right down and bounced off that 50 EMA, which is great news. All right, we didn't want to see Bitcoin really lose that. Okay, look down here at the RSI on the bottom. I'll enlarge this for you. Look at that daily. The daily RSI is reset down at the bottom for Bitcoin. Okay, if we go to the higher time frames, the 12 has just turned over and is heading up. Okay, and our 8 is turning up. Okay, now if we go to the 4 is at the top, but the 1's at the bottom, and the 2 is at the bottom, just about there. Okay, so I'm expecting any time for Bitcoin to make a move here. It could come down a little bit more, down to that 26.5 area. If we put this on the weekly, you can see that RSI on the weekly is definitely high. Okay, but that 26.5 region would line up. I'm not saying it's gonna come down there, but it could. Okay, that you can see we've had spikes on the weekly down and off of this support for for a while now. Things been bouncing up and down on here, so that's the range it could come down to. Doesn't have to start this rally, especially with that daily and everything reset. So let's get back to Casper here. Okay, that's why you're here. I want to show that to you guys, and if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that very, very much. Okay, now if you look at the daily RSI here, okay, let me get my pointer turned around here. You can see on the daily, this thing is about reset. Okay, let's look at the 8 and the 12. The 8 is at the bottom and coming up, or that was the 12, I'm sorry. Let's look at the 8. And the 8, okay, the 8 is curling over just a little bit. I think that's for that daily to reset. All right, so this thing's looking good. The 4 is probably at the top, yeah, and the 1's probably at the bottom. Yeah, it's at the bottom. Okay, so this market is definitely gearing up for a move. Okay, Bitcoin, with that, it could wait till tomorrow till the big markets open up. I don't know. It's hard to say when it's going to start this, but if we look down here on the technicals for Casper from TradingView, you can see we're in a buy. The oscillators are neutral. The moving averages are a strong buy. So everything is lining up for a move, guys. And as soon as we have it, I'll be back with you. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll talk to you real soon. Thank you very, very much for giving me any of your time to watch my video. I appreciate it. And God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much, guys.